And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't be the reason right.
It's me again, and this is my Langelier. It has I don't know if you can see this. Here's the bed. I don't know if this is it's so old. I can't even find a picture of this online. There's no, what do you call it? There's a foot pedal right here that if you push it, this goes up and down here for the drill press. It also has, I think this is not original because there is multiple bolt holes in here that look like they've been drilled out, tapped out, or there's two here and two here, I think, and one extra one. This bolt, I think, keeps it on there. The off and on switch looks like it's in the right place because I've seen a video of some other ones, and if you look at this, it works pretty good. I have never seen a drill press with a leather belt, and it also has one other awesome feature. See, it's a really cool belt thing. I don't know if this thing has, see, oh yeah, it comes with a light here. See that beer can light. Not a fan of Bud Light, but see, there's the light. Has a screw-on beer can, which apparently that's how it works. I get the feeling that the bearings inside here, see, should be a bearing in this housing somewhere in here. I'm guessing if this is as old as it is, it probably has Babbitt bearings in it because it looks older. There's also, if I seen pictures of other ones, there's a shroud here that covers this, which I guess so nobody gets their fingers caught in it. But it's really neat. I mean, you look at, there's somebody put a pipe on here, a little, what do you call it? Cast iron pipe around the thing through it, and you got this crazy little switch. The bottom, there's a name on here. You can see it in here. Langelier Manufacturing Company, Providence, Rhode Island, USA. And you can see the foot pedal. There's a rod in here, right over here. When you push it, it brings it down. There's a little, I don't know if this is the original drill bed or this is the original drill bed. I can't even find a photo online of it. This back here, let me pause it for a second. Yeah, it's got a adjustable handle right here to set this. Here's the older than dirt handle that's missing all the tines on it. It's got a hell of a lot of patina on it, and it functions smooth. There's not a whole lot of, I mean, other than this thing's got a little broken here. This motor is older than dirt. It's got a couple of new bolts here. Yeah, it's a pretty cool old device. Langelier Manufacturing Company. And, well, here, I'll finish the video over there. So yeah, that was my drill press. I just put it over there. I'm definitely gonna do a video at least repainting some of it because it needs a nice coat of black or gray paint. Most of the drill presses these days are, that one's green and the Atlases are gray, I should say. I don't think I'm gonna do a hammer tone gray. I might just do a regular, like, what do they call it? I want to try Japanning black. But anyway, the reason why I bought the thing is because these two over here on this is my right side on the camera here. On my right side are covered in cutting oil. And, well, you ever try to drill a piece of wood with cutting fluid everywhere. The thing's splattered with cutting oil. There's metal shards everywhere, and most times it's just left like that. And like when it gets out of control, I clean it up. But it's usually I don't clean the cutting oil off because it keeps my thing from not rusting. So I bought that one to put on my little woodwork side over there, which there's absolutely no space to put it. I'm going to try to clean out the corner and put it in the corner just for doing some small drilling for wood. Plus, I mean, for the price I paid for it, and it's vintage, it makes, one, it make a good YouTube video, and two, it's just a really, really cool, like, hey, you want to drill a piece of wood, just push your foot on there and turn it on. So I thought it was a nice addition to all my older junk. I never thought in my life I'd own a 100-year-old drill press for roughly, what, $100? Yeah, just over, a little over $100. Wasn't expensive. So yeah, I'm just gonna change the beer can cover. I'm not a big fan of what do you call it, beer advertising and stuff. It just doesn't, it's not my thing. So if anybody on YouTube wants an old Budweiser beer can that's got the ass end of it and the top cut out of it, feel free to send me a message. I'll toss it in the mail for you. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, tell all your friends, and keep watching my channel. Thanks.